Day because I wanted to repeal HB 2. And that's what we were told we were coming here to do. Clearly, HB 2 is a disaster for North Carolina. And knowing that, I had every faith that we were going to get the job done. What happened when we got here was they added a provision to the repeal bill that would have put a moratorium on non-discrimination ordinances in North Carolina. Clearly, that's not a good thing. So we just weren't able to get it done. Charlotte did everything they were asked to do. They repealed their ordinance. They even repealed their requirement that we repeal HB 2. They acted in good faith. We did not. And I think it's a sad day for North Carolina.